Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to share TikTok video on your Facebook story. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So for example, that you have a specific video on TikTok that you want to share on your Facebook story and you don't know how to do it, just keep on watching, okay? So now let's get started. So first of all, I want you to do is to open your TikTok app. Then just go ahead and find a video that you want to share. And for example, this video. So I want you to do is to click on the share button at the lower right side of your screen at the upper part of the music icon. So now I want you to do is to click on here on Instagram stories. So just go ahead and do that. So now I want you to do is to long press on your story, and it should have a option that you can share it on your Facebook story. Okay, so that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.